This is Trent Foley, Jim Glover Dodge. I'm going over this 2019 Tundra. Has 97,967 miles. You have your touch screen in the middle. Seats. Power windows. Manual seat. We hit this spot for you right here. It looks like where the staining is. I'm gonna see if we can get that out for you. And there's a little bit right there as well. When it comes to the floorboard, everything like that, it's pretty clean. Let me hit this other side close. So you can see right there, there's a little scratch. That just rubbed off, so. I can't see any bodywork that sticks out to me on that side. We'll walk around one more time. So I can't see anything with my eyes, but maybe you can see something a little bit better. If you want me to hit a specific spot on it or anything like that, please let me know. And again, this is Trent Foley with Jim Glover. Appreciate it.